remember that. What people will remember forever is the picture of young Wilt taking a picture with a 100 written on it, after the highest scoring output in NBA history. For those 100 points, he made 36 out of 63 shots, and 28 out of 32 from the free throw line, which is an impressive feat if we know that his career free throw average barely exceeds 50%. Philadelphia won the game 169-147, which was a record for most points scored in a game. Other than that, Wilt set 6 overall records that night. Other than 100 points, he set the new bar for most field goals made and attempted, number of free throws made, number of points scored in a quarter with 31, and points scored in a half with 59. Most rebounds in a game, 34 points, 55 rebounds, 4 assists. Other than mesmerizing scoring games, Wilt also had rebounding numbers that seem unreal today. He led the league in rebounding in 11 out of his 14 seasons, and he often had as many boards as the entire teams in an NBA game today. There are 3 reasons for that, other than the fact that Wilt was a 7'1" athletic demigod who looked like he time traveled to the 60s from the future. First, he usually played all 48 minutes, while the players today average 36 minutes or less. Wilt also played in an era where the pace was much faster, and teams were averaging 110 shot attempts per game, compared to 90 shots per game in 2020. Finally, the average field goal percentage was about 5% worse in the 60s than it is now, which of course meant 5% more rebounds for Wilt to grab. Among the active players, Kevin Love holds the record for most rebounds in a game with 31, which means that Wilt's record of 55 rebounds in a game is basically unbreakable. But Wilt is not to blame for the rules in the era